Good morning everybody, Stevie here from Never Too Late to Travel. Just come out this morning from Lampung to Lampang and just arrived at the Elephant Conservation Centre. So I'm hoping to find something interesting here. Actually we've come with some friends who wanted to see this place. It wasn't a planned event on our itinerary. But nevertheless, we'll go and see what we can discover. Invite you, of course, along for the trip. So hoping to see quite a few elephants this morning. So we have a few elephants there that some of the children have stopped to feed. Little stall there where you could buy some elephant food for 50 baht, which I think is a little bit expensive. You like the elephants? Should I buy some more food? I don't know what this machine's for. It seems to be a press of some kind, but for the life of me I can't think what it's used for. Oh well, maybe I'll find out later on. I'll let you feed it. If it was going to bite anyway, it would be you, not me. You know that one's name? Greedy.
That hibiscus is pretty amazing, isn't it?
Yes, it is, yes.
Versatility of that.
There we have a few safety rules for tourists. So please be mindful if you ever visit here that you follow the rules. In Thai and in English. Another elephant there in the background. To be very honest, I'm not an expert on elephants, but when I see an elephant swaying from side to side, I don't believe that he's a happy elephant at all. I always think of a swaying elephant as having some psychological problems. I may be wrong, but that is just my personal opinion. More rules here about elephant welfare and safety standards. So should you wish to have instructions on how to ride an elephant the right way, then you should read this. A few more elephants at the back, small one, and quite a large one that was swaying its head earlier on. Baby elephant there seems to be quite relaxed, enjoying itself. And a great big tusk, two-tusked one here. And this one, it says, stay away 1 to 2 meters from the fence. And you can probably understand why. Look at the size of those tusks. All animals have a wild side, so it's best not to take any chances, but plenty of food available for them and seem to be quite well maintained. This elephant here has got a nice pink bow in its head. It's an elephant right in the background there, towards the jungle. I don't know whether he's left to run free there or whether he's actually chained away from the others. I have no idea. Saren, the elephant stole your bow. Bow, man. P đơn, đơn.
มีโบติดโบผู้หญิง
Quite a few elephants here. Obviously it's a conservation centre, so I presume that that would attract elephants from all over Thailand. Probably some are rescued as well, so they'll finish their lives here. So carrying on our little tour around the Thai Elephant Conservation Centre. Come to this little garden area at the back, so I'm going to take you for a walk around there and let's see what Uncle Dennis can find for us today.
Well, we've got some bentams up on the
When P Dern gets off her phone.
way to
Looks like a nice little garden down by the lake. So this is a new one for me, guys. I don't know whether it's a new one for you, Dennis, but elephant dung paper.
yeah, I saw that in the
Now, I've never seen that before anywhere else in Thailand. So obviously make paper from the elephant shit. Now that's an unusual one, an elephant with a Thai post box. I think you'd have a bit of a problem to post a letter up there. Tilak, you want to go and post your letter? Now, believe it or not, we've got a Thai post office elephant here, and you can actually go up to the top of the elephant, climb the steps and actually post your letter on the top. Now, how unique is that, guys? Hey, another first on Never Too Late to Travel. And this is called the Chang Thai Post Office, Chang meaning elephant. So you climb these steps, go to the top, put your letter in, and postman will come collect it and deliver it anywhere in the world that you need to send it. As I said previously, not on my itinerary to come here, but thoroughly enjoying the experience. And as of last night, a lot of little lanterns hanging about. Obviously not as much as we saw in some of the temples last night. But this is an elephant educational demonstration gate, whatever that means. I don't know how you would educate elephants and how you would demonstrate that. I have no idea. But now, if you look across the lake there, Dennis. Yeah, Dennis. If you look across the lake, you see them bathing in the river.
เขานั่งเที่ยวเหรอ
สวัสดีครับ
ด้านหลังเนี่ย
ก็ได้ย้าย
สมัครคนละ200ครับ
So that's where they take them to bathe, across there. So you go and ride an elephant and take it into the water. Tilak? Tilak? Yeah. Got elephants swimming in the water there.
Yeah, they're showing swim ค่ะ
Yeah.
We will see.
I want a quick look here, just have a look. Got a nice little souvenir shop here. Buy your elephant memorabilia. Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed that.
Oh, ก็ดูฉันยังให้เลยเราก็ให้เขาเป็นน้ำใจไม่ต้องให้
Have a little restaurant at the back should you wish to stop and eat, but I think our little group is going to go and find something else to have a look at, and hopefully take some more video. Meow 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 meow. Just nice little restaurant areas there that you can stop and get something to eat should you wish. But as I say, we're not stopping, we're Gonna head off. Would you like to post the letter on the top? If you get a letter and a postcard, you can go up, put it in the postbox, and then the postman will collect it and deliver it anywhere in the world. No, it's hurt his leg. He's not three-leg. He's deformed. Yes. Some of the he's got a deformed leg, bless him. Probably broke it in the past. Nice little pussy cat there. Meow 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 meow. Push 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 push. In a minute. What Tilak? What picture do you want? We're going on this now. There's our transport to go back to the beginning.